Hey there, fitness fam! Are you ready to unlock the ultimate strength builder? Today, we're breaking down push-ups, whether you're rocking the full version or modifying on your knees. Let's get started. Push-ups are the gold standard for building upper body strength and core stability. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your abs. First, set up your plank. Hands directly under your shoulders, core engaged, and body in a straight line from head to heels, or knees if you're modifying. Next, lower your chest toward the ground while keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Go as low as you can, then push back up to plank. Controlled movements are key here. Not ready for full push-ups? No problem. Drop to your knees and keep that core tight. The movement stays the same, and you'll build strength in no time. Pro tip: focus on quality over quantity. It's better to do a few good push-ups than a bunch of sloppy ones. Now let's put it into action. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Take breaks as needed and challenge yourself to progress over time. Full push-ups, here we come. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to level up your fitness journey. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing forward.